If you're at Milford Sound, do not take one of the cruises. Do this instead. That's the entrance to the Sound over there. And the boat just dropped us off here, 20 minutes on the boat, and now we've got to kayak back. It takes about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Check out that fatso. Just having a nap. Sweet. Can't talk right now, bro. Kayaking Milford Sound. Hey, got any fish and chips, bro? The great thing about being on the back of the kayak is that the person in front could be paddling and you're not paddling and they have no idea. Seeing Milford Sound with Roscoe's kayaks is pretty awesome. Second time I've done it, and our guide Lewis, who's a bit of a legend, most important thing he said was that of course Whittaker's is better than Cadbury. Man is a genius, he knows what he's talking about. What do you want? Do you want a ham and cheese sandwich? Is that what it is?